Hi, my name's Mick Brown at miko-cartoon.com. I'm a cartoonist and I'm going to show you how to draw some cartoons. Let's have fun. I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon fish. Now, of course, a fish you would have thought would be a very simple thing to draw. Starting off with two circles, probably a good idea. I'm running out of paper here, but add another circle on the back, and now you've created the fin, if you like. Do you see? By darkening those, I've created a fin. Triangle here, which is another fin, I guess. Maybe let's put one on the top, and the bottom, and big round eyes. Let's put them together. They're both on one side of the face, one on the other side of the face, but let's, hey, we're cartoonists, we can do what we like. And this one we'll put some nice long eyelashes on, which of course a fish doesn't have. We can put some lips on this one. Big smile. Lips. Actually, let's make this. I want to make that. Yeah, I'm going to move that back. I've looked at it, and we can make that longer as well. But that's the basic shape, the 2 rounds and 3 rounds. Don't forget, we bring in another round there. Ignore that now, and I'm going to ink this in now. Starting at the top so I don't smudge anything else. Oops, I've moved onto that one. Doesn't matter, let's make it even bigger. Why not? Looks a bit strange, so I'm going to stop it there. There we go, that's that other circle. Let's get around. Actually, I'll draw the eyes so that I don't smudge the circle. So I'm not going to draw that ink in that pencil line in the middle, so the 2 eyes are joining. And it's a big difference when you experiment. You can draw the pupils tiny or big, and it makes a big difference to the character. But just experiment, so play around. And the more you draw these cartoons, the better you'll get, that's for sure. Just practice. And it's fun. There we go, those eyelashes. And this is the great thing about this brush pen, because you can make thick and thins out of it. So thick to thin, thick to thin, thick to thin, which creates a nice bit of light and shade. Thick lips. Of course, fish don't have lips, but as far as I'm concerned they do. How about that? A little triangle for another fin here. Let's join that. There we go. Darken that off a bit. And, oh, I'm going to finish that other part of that fin. Just a few little bits of shade, that's all. I think that's about it. We can ignore that. And that's how to draw a cartoon fish.